Are you trying to lose weight but keep running into those midday cravings? Or maybe you're eating healthy meals, but the snacking in between is where things fall apart. Trust me, snacking can be part of a healthy weight loss journey as long as you choose the right foods. Today I'm sharing 10 delicious, easy, and satisfying healthy snacks for weight loss that you can use to stay full, curb cravings, and feel amazing throughout the day. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Habits Haven, the place where we turn small, simple daily choices into long-term healthy habits. If you're new here, my mission is to help you build a lifestyle you love without restriction, guilt, or overwhelm. Today's video is all about healthy snacks for weight loss. Snacking gets a bad reputation, but the truth is that the right snacks can boost your metabolism, stabilize your blood sugar, and keep you from overeating later in the day. I'm breaking down my top 10 snacks that are delicious, easy to prepare, and perfect if you're trying to shed a few pounds. Let's dive right in. 1. Greek yogurt plus berries. First on the list is a classic, Greek yogurt with fresh berries. This snack is one of the most powerful combinations of protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which helps keep you full longer and prevents those sudden hunger spikes. The berries add natural sweetness, fiber, and vitamins without adding tons of extra calories. If you want to keep it even healthier, go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can drizzle a little honey or add a sprinkle of chia seeds if you want extra texture. This snack feels like a dessert, but keeps your weight loss goals intact. 2. Apple slices with peanut butter. Next up is the amazing duo we all know, apples and peanut butter. Apples are full of fiber, especially when you keep the skin on, and that fiber helps you stay full and satisfied. Peanut butter adds healthy fats and a creamy texture that makes this snack incredibly satisfying. Just make sure to watch your portion size with the peanut butter. 1 or 2 tablespoons is plenty. Choose natural peanut butter with no added sugar or oils. This snack gives you carbs, fats, and fiber in perfect balance. 3. Veggie sticks plus hummus. This one is perfect if you're looking for something crunchy and refreshing. Veggie sticks with hummus. Cut up carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, celery, or cherry tomatoes, whatever you like. Pair them with hummus for added protein and healthy fats. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are high in fiber and super filling. The best part? You can meal prep this snack ahead of time. Keep washed veggies in containers and hummus in small portions for grab-and-go convenience. 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs might sound simple, but they are a weight loss powerhouse. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein, and protein keeps you full for hours. This makes eggs a great snack between meals or right after a workout. You can prepare a batch at the beginning of the week and store them in the fridge. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, or paprika for extra flavor. Eating 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs can keep you from mindlessly snacking on less healthy foods later. 5. Cottage cheese plus pineapple. If you want something fresh and satisfying without eating a lot of calories, try cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is another protein-rich food that helps with appetite control. Pineapple adds sweetness and vitamin C, making this snack both light and refreshing. You can swap the fruit to try peaches, berries, or even cucumbers and cherry tomatoes if you prefer something savory. Cottage cheese is extremely versatile, and it keeps you full without weighing you down. 6. Nuts, almonds, walnuts. Nuts are small but mighty. Almonds and walnuts are especially great for weight loss because they contain healthy fats, protein, and fiber. This combination helps keep your blood sugar stable and your hunger under control. The key with nuts is portion control. A small handful, about 10 to 15 almonds or a similar amount of walnuts, is enough. Avoid flavored or sugary nuts and stick to raw or dry roasted. Nuts are perfect when you need a quick snack that keeps you energized. 7. Rice cakes with avocado. If you're looking for something crunchy and satisfying, try rice cakes topped with mashed avocado. Rice cakes are light and low in calories, while avocado gives you healthy fats and a creamy texture that keeps you full. Add a sprinkle of salt, pepper, chili flakes, or lemon juice to bring out the flavor. This snack is perfect if you want something that feels like a treat but is still aligned with your weight loss goals. 8. Air-popped popcorn. Next is a surprise for many people. Air-popped popcorn. Popcorn is actually a whole grain, and when you prepare it without butter, it becomes a low-calorie, high-volume snack. That means you can eat a lot of it without consuming too many calories, which is great when you want something crunchy. Just be sure to avoid packaged microwave popcorn that's loaded with oils, salt, and artificial flavors. Air pop your own and season lightly with sea salt, smoked paprika, or nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. 9. Protein smoothie. A protein smoothie is not only filling but also customizable. It is perfect if you on the go or want something light that feels like a meal. Combine a scoop of protein powder with water or almond milk, blend with spinach, banana, berries, or whatever you like. Smoothies are great because they help control cravings and maintain muscle mass while losing weight. Be mindful of portion sizes. Too much fruit can increase the calories quickly. Keep your smoothies simple and balanced. 10. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher. And last but not least, dark chocolate. Yes, you can have chocolate while losing weight. The key is choosing dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher. It's rich in antioxidants, less sugary, and incredibly satisfying. A small piece about 1 square can help curb sweet cravings and prevent binge eating later. Pair it with a few almonds for a perfect treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without sabotaging your progress. How to snack smart for weight loss. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few simple guidelines to help you snack smarter. First, focus on protein and fiber. These two nutrients help stabilize your blood sugar and keep you full longer. Second, watch your portion sizes. Even healthy foods can add up in calories if you eat too much of them. Nuts, dried fruit, and peanut butter are amazing, but they're calorie-dense, so enjoy them mindfully. Third, avoid snacking out of boredom. Sometimes we think we're hungry when we're actually just stressed, tired, or dehydrated. Try drinking a glass of water first or taking a short break before reaching for food. And lastly, try to prepare your snacks ahead of time. When healthy snacks are ready to grab, you're much less likely to reach for chips or sugary treats. Store them in clear containers or portion them into small bags, so you always have something healthy within reach. If you found these healthy snack ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow. And if you're all about building healthier habits, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Habits Haven and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Comment below and tell me, which snack are you most excited to try this week? I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of the Healthy Habits Haven community. Remember, small consistent choices are what create big lasting results. You don't have to be perfect, just keep showing up for yourself every day. I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep building habits that truly support your best life.